everybody, how's it going? Today we got another unboxing with Carter and another Lego build. Today we're doing the Lego City Jungle Cargo Helicopter.
And I'm going to build it. Let's get starting.
All right, he's excited to get to building again. His birthday was just the other day, so
Yesterday.
it was just yesterday. So please hit the like button, show your support for my boy.
If you're not on our video, press the like button.
Tell him to subscribe too. You might as well.
Subscribe too. Whenever it's your birthday, subscribe.
Subscribe. Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Close enough. All right. We're going to get into the build right about now. This project.
Good.
Yeah? Were you a little tired today?
No.
No? You seem a little tired during the building process.
Well, I could not find the right pieces. That's why. Ma. It's the camera. I want to be in the picture too.
Hey everybody, so Carter finished up his jungle cargo helicopter. It went pretty good. Not too hard. You pretty excited about getting it done though?
Yeah.
You ready to get some food?
Yeah.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Another toy review / build with Carter. And so with that, we're going to get something to eat. And please, if you like the videos, if you like the reviews and stuff, subscribe and like us on YouTube. And we will get back at you later. All right, guys. Have a good one.
This is